Hey guys, I'm Eric,
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
and we are here at Dillon State Park, which is in Nashport, Ohio. It's our second time here. We were here last summer too. Allegedly, it's spring right now, but it does not feel that way. It feels really weird.
No, it's a little cold, a little windy. We're down by the beach area right now. It's actually a really pretty area. It looks like, I don't know.
Lake's actually really low. You can kind of see
Yeah,
behind
you
us
see it
there.
behind us.
They drained it for the winter.
But the beach is pretty. Big picnic area. There's all kinds of tables and electrical outlets all over. I don't know if it's reservable, the spots, because they're numbered. But it's just a pretty picnic area. Huge playground. There was tennis courts, I think volleyball courts up there.
Basketball courts.
Basketball, yeah. Not doing a whole lot of exploring, just kind of, bumming around a little bit. We'll hike, try to get a hike in today. Thankfully it stopped raining.
Yeah, we got here last night and it was raining, so we didn't do a video then. But just kind of hang around with our friends Chuck and Cherie, group Chuck and Cherie.
That's about it. I guess we'll catch up with you at the end. Bye.
Flowers bloom with every breath. The sun and moon, they take a rest. I write your name up in the sky. Hearing your name makes me so high. Natural phenomenon, unexplainable feeling. I was lost, but I found you. Would you let me hold your hand and fly? You don't have to be afraid, everything will be alright. Stars align for you and I, maybe we should both try. You don't have to be afraid, everything will be alright. Would you let me hold your hand and fly? Would you let me hold your hand and fly? Would you let me hold your hand and fly? You are everything in my heart and in my mind. I believe in fairy tales and happy endings. Natural phenomenon, unexplainable feeling. I was lost, but I found you. Would you let me hold your hand and fly? You don't have to be afraid, everything will be alright. Would you let me hold your hand and fly? Would you let me hold your hand and fly? Would you let me hold your hand and fly? Would you let me hold and fly?
We had a good time, now it's over. Didn't read the signs, thought we were closer. And I can't not taste you. Why should I have to? I don't wanna say goodbye. I don't wanna change your mind. tried cutting clean, didn't come over. Lasted a week, but I knew we'd go there. And I can't not chase you. Why should I have to? I don't wanna say goodbye. I don't wanna change your mind. For old times, swear I'd leave you when we're done. Swear I'd leave you when done. I know I'll be just fine, but I miss you in the morning. Just one night for old times. Swear I'll leave you when we're done. Swear I'll leave you when we're done.
Well, my friends, it is Sunday afternoon, and it is what I always say, the worst part of camping. Time to go home.
Time to go home.
Yeah, but we had a great weekend.
We did.
Yeah, the weather didn't really cooperate as much as we would like to have, but we still had a good time.
It wasn't too bad. Friday was rain. Friday night was rain all night, but we still sat out, had a fire with our umbrellas. It was chilly. But we still had a good time.
Saturday was cold and some pretty good wind gusts.
Yeah, but it was sunny, so can't complain about that because it was dry.
Yeah,
that was so it wasn't too bad. Yeah, it was just cold.
Yeah,
today's cold.
But,
a little windy again today, but not bad.
Yeah,
can't complain too much. We're out here.
Yeah, we were here with our friends Chuck and Cherie from En Route with Chuck and Cherie. If you haven't checked out their channel yet, I'll put a link down below so you can check them out.
Yeah, make sure you do. They're great people.
Yeah, really good people.
Yep. We explored a little bit, did a little bit of exploring the park. We went down by the beach again. I think our last video, if you check out, we had another video from Dillon State Park, and we kind of drove through the beach area and did a little quick video, but we didn't actually go down. Really pretty area.
Yeah. That last video we did we went to Zanesville and saw the Y Bridge, and we did a lot of exploring on that one. This one we kind of stayed more here at the park and
right, we explored the
see
park
the beach. We went and saw the cabins. They have 2 areas with cabins, which are really nice looking.
Drove through.
Yeah.
Neat old little cemetery.
Yeah.
Took some pictures of. Did a little hike here. There's a lot of trails around here. It's very hilly, so a lot of up and down. But we did a good little trail.
Yeah. And I'll put the link for the other video up on top here, so if you want to check that one out, you can. But yeah, other than that, it was a great weekend. Yeah, we had fun.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah, and also our friend that lives near here, Dylan, he was able to stop out and see us. So we got to see Ryan and his son Eric and his father. So yeah, it was good times. Yep, it was good people.
Oh, it was good. Yeah. Sad to go home, but until next time. So when you're driving out, stay safe.
Keep between the mustard and the mayo. Bye.
Bye, guys.